You want to know how to create modules in Java 17? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to explain you and guide you through a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, you need to create a new folder for your module. So inside, make your main.java file or anything that you want. So simply make up a Java file. So once you're done, simply create another file and make it module-info.java file. Right? So make sure you create this file as well. And once that is done, just simply type in this code inside the info.java file. So as you can see, this is the code. So module-info.java declares the module name and what it depends on. Now next, compile using the terminal. So we have also created a detailed video on how to compile it using a terminal, but I'll just show you quickly this time. So simply open up your command prompt. And now you need to compile it using the terminal. So navigate to the parent folder and run this. So right here, this is your destination with your username and then your folders and your name as well. So once you've done that, you need to again copy this code right here. Now once that is done, you can just simply copy up this code and then your execution should begin. So if there are not any errors, your execution should begin and it should stop automatically. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.